Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbours. I am so happy that you're here. It means a lot to me. And I love you all, and please like, share, subscribe. Anywho, I am making hamburger soup today, and I thought, Casey, turn the camera on, we may as well tape it. Okay? So, in my crock pot here, earlier I fried up 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of ground beef with 1 small diced up onion. So 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of ground beef is this recipe, so about 600 to 900 grams. Now I'm going to start adding stuff to it. Here I have 3 bay leaves, a teaspoon of dried parsley, 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 2 cloves of garlic minced up, about a teaspoon of it. And I don't have beef stock on hand, so this is the bouillon powder to make up 4 cups of beef stock. So I'm going to add that in with my hamburger beef here. Okay. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of boiling water. Okay.
This is regular boiling water.
Yeah, because I have the bouillon powder to make the beef broth. Or you can buy a box of the beef broth and put the 1 box in. Now, this is a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. I washed and I rinsed several times a 15-ounce can of red kidney beans. Now you can add a tin of tomato soup or tomato sauce. And I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of W sauce. I'll show you in case. 2 tablespoons of that. 3 cups of frozen mixed veggies. Just get the frozen mixed veggies that you enjoy eating. I like in this soup the one that has the corn. So 3 cups of frozen mixed veggies. And get, these are 2 medium potatoes, and I just cubed them up to the size of a dice. Okay, I am adding 2 cups of shredded cabbage, but actually I used to bag coleslaw. It's easier. But I have my crock pot put on high for 4 hours until my potatoes are tender. So, but there is another step. I'll show you that step when my
4 hours?
In 4 hours. Okay. It's been about 4 hours now. This has been cooking. I'm a few minutes away from the 4-hour mark. So I cooked up a 1/2 cup of elbow macaroni. So it essentially becomes 1 cup cooked. So a 1/2 cup of elbow macaroni. If you want to come over and have a look at what's going on in the pot. Now I'm going to add that to it. And I usually give it a few minutes just to heat through the pasta to heat through. And fish out your bay leaves. I'm going to put salt and pepper to taste. Okay, so a little bit of salt and pepper. And we actually love pepper.
Yeah.
We do. So
yeah, I do.
That's why I say to taste. I can't tell you how much. You know, everybody's different. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little taste. Hot. It's very good. This with a nice dinner roll. Awesome.
But that's
Bonita's Kitchen. She had how to do these. So I made
4-leaf clovers?
Yeah. She made those, so I decided to make them.
Yeah.
This is so good, guys. Give it a try. Peace.
Subscribe.
God bless. Keep good heart. Bye.
Bye.